it's your boy, Big Boy Cactus here. Today we're going to be playing SCP-3008, just like I promised. So SCP-3008 is an infinite Ikea. Sorry for the background noise. My brothers are being really annoying and playing Legos. My other brother ruined the other 3 videos, so yeah. This is like the fourth try. So let's just get into this. So we're with XX Glitter Force XX. I don't know. Can I use this or can I take it? 'Cause I need that. Yeah, I need that. Wait, is it in my inventory? Yeah. Interact. Okay, so I just went up in health. So okay, it is day. So we do need to find a fort. So yeah, and these guys, when it's nighttime, these guys become hostile and will kill you no matter what. So you always have to, watch out. Okay, so is that a guy? Yeah, okay, so these guys are actually hostile in the night. So, wait, I am unique. Oh my god. Another person? Oh, I thought saw something. Tell me if you saw that. Nick, wait, it's right there. No, it's right. It's like right over there. But it's like not. I don't know. She's trying to find it too? Yeah, it's over there. When I look, I am unique. Is she okay? She's moving. She has a fort? That's so sick. Hold up. Oh, there's a guy under her. Oh! Oh! Oh, she's, oh. The guys get, like, stuck in the thing. That's the thing. It's, like, kind of hilarious. I'm just saying. Where's she going? No! Come to me! I am your friend. I come in peace. I'm a cactus and I come in peace. Wait, oh. She's building, like, a bridge to get across. We need to build. Let's go. Oh my god, wow. She's got the place. Got her place. AKA me and her place now. We've overridden the cactus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, what do these say? Okay. Need support? Burger, like I might not go into an Ikea, again after this. Like, just watch what happens in the night. Are you serious? Watch, I'm gonna die. The lights are gonna shut out, and then I'm gonna die. Watch this, because this game literally hates me. Woo! I'm so cool. I don't know if I'm cool. I'm probably not. Can I tell her we need food? She typing? She's okay. Any food here? Where'd she go? This is suspicious. Where is some food? We're just trying to find food. Okay, so we're just trying to find food right now, and I'm probably never gonna play this game again because it's just way too boring. No, I might. You know what? Leave a like. Leave a like if I'm about to stream, bro. I swear to God. Yeah, there we go. Yes. Oh my God, these actually worked. Cool. Can I move this? We don't need this, do we? We need this as another ramp, bro. Dude, this is just... Can I, like... Wait, what? No, I want to rotate it. Is there a way to... I want to put, like... Here, I want to build across this. Over here. Place. Cool. Sick. Okay, can we get down? to crouch to get in. Oh, what's she doing here? Building a base. Nice! No! Okay. Gosh, we'll just jump up. Have you guys seen the people? Like you don't know. Bro, I'm gonna record until the lights shut out, bro. Alright, what is she saying? If anyone said anything. Who's saying, can you leave, please? Hold on, let's build more bridges. Let's say that. No chili? I don't know what that means. Please, someone tell me what that means. I don't know. Maybe no chili. Okay, maybe that means, maybe she's just saying like, you get away from me. Why? I'm gonna ask her why. Because I don't like you. How? What did I do? Hold on. I'm gonna say, what did I do? I will hunt her down. You're just by me, which is Aggie. Okay, I'll go, but I'm still living by here. I'm still living in these shelves. Okay, I'll go, but I'm still living in these shelves. Yeah, dude. You're not gonna stop me from my home. Thank you. Oh, okay. She just, okay. We're being an annoyance. Ah! We are building onto, yeah. Okay, if we jump up here, hold on. No, let me jump up there. Okay. Then we jump up. No, we gotta do some mad parkour to get up here. Okay, we're up on the top. Again. Woo! Okay, we need to do some readjustments to this TV. There we go. Okay. Okay. Hold on, I wonder. Oh, whoops, I didn't even mean to do that. She's still in the game. Did she leave me? No. Then I die. Dude. Oh, wait, she's right there. Okay, so she's still here. Okay, I'm really scared. Okay, she's still here. I don't know, but this is our cool house. So you get in, and then this is where I live. I will scope out the area. Gotta turn off the TV. Actually, I need it for light. Yeah, I need to place these lanterns like around the thing. Okay. Oh no, am I stuck in the lantern? Oh, okay, hold on. I'm gonna hang it up. I wish I could reach that. Okay, I'm going. Alright guys, I think that's gonna do it for the video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, see you later, homie.